friends, welcome back to the Long Branch Homestead. A few months ago I did a video on refurbishing an old wood wagon using some of our dead standing ash trees that we have around here. And in the beginning of that video I mentioned about possibly turning the wagon here into a produce stand that we might set up down by the road. So as you can see behind me, that's what I did. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a little bit of building it and setting it up. So as you can see, it's getting a little cooler out here. It's actually late August, so but we're going to probably set this up as a fall produce stand. So anyway, we're going to get it set up for you and show you what we did. So let's go. Okay, I got it here in place, so let me give you a little bit of a close-up here and I'll show you what I did. Now, a lot of the materials I used here to build this, I had just laying around in a scrap pile. So these black posts here, they were old fence posts that we had used for around our orchard. They were spare pieces. A lot of the 1-bys I had used for other projects. A lot of 2x6s, 2x4s, just scrap wood. So we kind of painted it with the same paint we use for our outbuildings, and with the black and the green, so just to match that. I built it so I could slide it out when I'm done using it, so I could reuse the wood wagon to haul wood, which I'm going to need to do here in about, I don't know, a month and a half or so. But yeah, put a little bit of angle on it, some nice shelves. Like I said, it's going to be a fall produce stand, so it's going to be able to hold a lot of pumpkins and you know, things like that, apples and such. So you see I put a shingle roof on it. That also matches the outbuildings and the house, actually. So yeah, my job is done. So now it's up to my wife to fill it up and dress it up. here it is, our little produce stand. I think it came out pretty nice. Thanks for watching. You all have a great day. Bye now.